手で塞いだ穴二度とない
You don't need another motivational video. You need a reset, a reminder, a moment of silence that turns into strength. So take a breath and listen closely. Because if you feel lost right now, this is exactly where you're supposed to be. Let's begin. There are 3 truths that will rebuild you if you let them. Not overnight, but over time and deeply. Let's start with the first one. Number 1, confusion is not failure. It's a sign of awakening. When your old ways stop working, when your routine feels heavy, when your dreams feel blurry, you are not broken. You're evolving. Confusion means the old version of you is fading, and the new one hasn't fully arrived yet. And that space in between? It's sacred. Most people run from it, distract themselves from it, try to fix it with noise and numbing. But if you sit with it, if you let it speak, you'll hear the questions that matter most. Who am I becoming? What no longer fits? What kind of life actually feels right to me? That's where real change begins. With honesty, not with certainty, with clarity. Let's move on. Number 2, discipline is love, not punishment, not perfectionism, not hustle culture, but love. Discipline is how you prove to yourself every day that you are worth effort, that your future matters more than your impulses, that your peace matters more than your comfort. Most people don't lack time. They lack structure. They don't need more motivation. They need a reason. So ask yourself, what would it look like if you treated your goals like someone you were committed to protecting? Because when you shift from pressure to protection, everything changes. Discipline becomes something sacred, something that builds you. And finally, number 3, you are not behind. The timelines you think you're missing, they're made up, curated, projected. Growth is not linear. Healing isn't tidy. Purpose doesn't arrive like a package on your doorstep. It unfolds layer by layer, moment by moment. Every time you choose to try again, to pause instead of panic, to speak truth instead of pleasing, to breathe when you want to escape. That is progress. That is power. That is youth, not in age, but in spirit. So don't rush to arrive. Learn to be where you are fully. Because where you are right now is rich with everything you need to rise. This is the space we protect. This is the work we do. This is wise youth.